What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and today is going to be the scariest video I've ever filmed. I don't even know what the results are going to be. You probably have an idea already by the title and thumbnail. I'm going to try a pixie cut, and if that doesn't work out, then I'm just going to shave it. And I didn't even intend for this to be happening right now at all. I was thinking in January of either getting a major haircut or shaving all my hair off and kind of starting over and letting my natural hair grow for a while. But one of my kids ended up being found to have lice yesterday at school, and so we did all the treatments. I did my treatment this morning. A lot of hair came out. You know those little very fine-tooth metal combs you use to pick out the nits and stuff? Well, I went over my whole head with that and a lot came off the ends, making my hair even thinner than it already was, which is pretty thin. And so I'm just gonna go for it. If the pixie doesn't look good, then I will just cut it all off. I actually have a wig already just in case of that scenario, because I don't know how I'm gonna feel about having a bald head if and when it comes to that. Hopefully I can pull off this pixie. I'm going to be following a tutorial that I found on YouTube. It is by Hair Manny, and it is called How to Cut Pixie Haircut Step-by-Step Tutorial for Beginners, Short Haircut for Women. I will try and remember to link that down below in the description. And yeah, he posted this 2 years ago. The end results look good, but it is kind of scary to be cutting my own hair. I have never in my life cut my own hair, except like once when I was a little kid. I think I cut my bangs. What kid hasn't done something like that though? So the tools I've got that I will be using are both from a dog grooming kit I bought when we first got our poodle, but neither have been used on him, just to put that out there. I've used the curved blade on him before, but besides that I've left it to the groomers, and so I've got these thinning shears, I think is what they're called. And then you've got this, it's got a round tip for like safety. Basically just regular hair scissors with a round tip. I'm going to start sectioning my hair as per directions in the tutorial and get started. So first we need to be sectioning along the something ridge, but basically from here to here, coming to a point in the back, but it needs to be like a straight line, which I'm probably gonna have to use my comb to do that. I'm so nervous. I know I'm going to screw this up. I'm not going to like the end result. I'm going to end up shaving it. I can't even get the line straight. I'm in for it. Okay, that's about as straight as I'm gonna get it. We're off to a great start. Now, now things are about to get real. Now I'm supposed to be taking diagonal sections on my hair and cutting. Ooh, I don't want to do this. Why am I doing this? I have no idea what I'm doing. This feels so unnatural. I should not be doing this. What am I thinking? What was I thinking? Should I just do it? Should I? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do it. This is such a mistake. I did it. I did it. Oh shit. Gosh, I went really short. I'm kind of in shock right now that I'm doing this. It's like I've come this far. There's no real turning back. Shoot. Why did I? Well, let's just keep going. Well, the circumference of my head is cut. Let me show you the back. Oh. Still not sure how I'm feeling about this yet. Now, what is probably the tougher part, the crown. I can't lie. I'm kind of liking how it's turning out now. Now that I've started on the top, like, I can dig it. By the way, I don't have a guideline. The concept of that is kind of lost on me, so I'm literally just guessing as I go and trying to do the approximate same length all around. Okay. I'm like on such a emotional high right now. Bruh. It's so short. Okay, well. Overall, I don't think I did an awful job so far. It's just like, what the hell is this? Just... I kind of like it, I kind of don't. I wonder what it would look like if I like styled it. So I dried and straightened it, and not really the best look, but now I'm gonna go through with my, I forgot what I called these before, thinning shears, whatever you want to call them, and try to clean up, not as much as he does in the video, because like I'm gonna leave this hair around my ears. I like that being there because my ears are kind of big. The rest of this I'm going to go through and just kind of thin it where I think it needs to be thinned and hope for the best. So this sucks, but the good news is I need to take a shower anyway, so I'm gonna wash this out and come back to retry this styling. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave it here for now. I don't hate it, surprisingly. And honestly, I'm kind of impressed with myself. I've never done a haircut on anyone before in my life, and I feel like I kind of nailed it. But overall, not too shabby for my first try on myself, I think, anyway. The back's a bit choppy. What else would you expect? Anyway, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.